Hi, my name is Leslie Jennison and I'm the Global Color Ambassador for Schwarzkopf Professional. I'm here at the BlondMe shooting to create one of the iconic looks for BlondMe. This look is all about the purest and most precious of all blondes, platinum. We want to show the essence of blonde, showing a brilliant, clear and even tone. Purest blonde with dazzling shine. My challenge today is to create exactly that tone on Lupin's hair, Asian hair. So to go from the darkest base to that purest platinum. Section into 4 quarters. BlondMe Bond Enforcing Premium Lightener 9+ is the very first lightener with integrated bonding technology. Just mix powder 1 to 2 with BlondMe Premium Developer. The bond protection is already integrated. Starting from the nape area, take a fine slice and apply the product to the mid-lengths and ends, leaving out the first 1.5 centimeters. Use plenty of product to ensure full saturation. The advanced bonding system protects the hair fibers from breakage during and after the blonding process. It's almost like an insurance for hair. If the mid-lengths and ends are at the desired level, then apply the product at the root area. Leave in for up to 45 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo with BlondMe Keratin Restore Bonding Shampoo. Now to mix up the toner. Ice, sand, Keratin Restore Bonding Mask, 2% Premium Developer. Section into 4 quarters. Starting at the nape, apply the product from roots to ends and follow this for the entire head. Visually control the development until you have the desired colour. Leave in for 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Apply BlondMe Intense Care Bonding Potion and comb through for an even distribution. Apply the BlondMe Keratin Restore Bonding Mask generously and directly on top of the BlondMe Intense Care Bonding Potion. Leave in for 10 minutes. Advise your client to continue using BlondMe Tone Enhancing Bonding Shampoo and Mask to maintain the beautiful shimmer and the platinum shade.